Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Christina, and today I'm going to be making instant snow and teaching you guys how to do it, and I'll also be doing a fun little experiment. So yeah, this video is a collaboration with Lps Girl. Make sure to check out her channel. The link will be down in the description box. So you'll be needing some instant snow powder, some water, and a bowl or container. So you're just going to take as much instant snow powder as you want and place that into your bowl. And then you're just going to add in water, which will expand the powder and turn it into snow. If you add too much water, the snow will become super liquidy and wet. Just add as much water as you want. So we just kept adding more and more water until our desirable texture. For this snow, we actually added in a whole lot of water, so it became super wet and super gigantic. Here is all the snow we have. Instant snow, in my opinion, is super fun to play with, and it is very safe and fun to make. So if you haven't made instant snow before, you definitely should try it out. You can also make and do more cooler things with instant snow, such as make cloud slime or cloud cream slime with it. I have a tutorial on how to make cloud slime on my channel, so go check it out.
Also, just so you know, I'm doing a voiceover, but for the next clip, I'm going to be playing the original audio just because. So yeah.
Our second experiment is adding a Play-Doh with the snow.
So we're just going to be mixing some Play-Doh or clay, whatever you call it, into the snow to see what will happen.
Alright, first I'm going to make this soft.
Amount, so we're just going to take the same amount of Play-Doh as to clay. Well, that's a lot more, but let's just try and see what happens.
Let's add a tiny bit first.
Okay, so she's mixing it. How does it feel like?
Well, it feels like nothing.
Let me try.
Okay.
It's just basically like Play-Doh, except it's in snow. So it's not really mixing together. And right now we're just gonna add the rest of the Play-Doh or clay in it. So we actually just mixed it more. Oops.
Well, the longer you mix, it will make the color more greenish, and the clay will
like actually eventually like mix together with it. But it's just super. It got very sticky. And here's a comparison of good snow and green Play-Doh snow, I guess. Next, I'm going to be testing out how much lotion slime can hold. So basically, I'm going to be adding as much lotion as you can to this slime until it won't be able to activate. So I'm going to be leaving a mark so we can see later how much the slime expanded. So I just added my first bit of lotion. I added quite a lot. It has become very sticky, kind of. I'm going to be activating the slime a bit since it has gotten a bit sticky. But it could definitely hold much more lotion, so here we go. I just added a whole lot of that in again. Oh my god, the slime is so soft right now. And here is my third lot of lotion. I'm adding like so much lotion. As you can probably see, the slime is getting a lot bigger as well. I'm going in with even more lotion.
The slime is like so soft and so thin right now. It'll be like impossible to hold.
So I just added in a lot of activator and I think this slime could hold a lot more lotion. From this point on, I'm not going to be activating the slime anymore, and let's just see how much more lotion this could hold. I think this is all the lotion the slime could hold because this slime has gotten very sticky. Now let us just see how much bigger the slime has grown. It is like so liquidy. As you can see, the slime has expanded a lot more. This is definitely a great way to expand your slime without any more glue. You can also use hand cream if you don't have lotion. That is basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye guys!